New to WhatsApp and want to sign up? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp account. Now let's get started. If you haven't installed the WhatsApp mobile app yet, you can download it for free from the App Store on your smartphone. To sign up for a WhatsApp account, open the app and tap Agree and Continue. Tap Allow to let WhatsApp send you notifications. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Then type in your mobile phone number. Tap Next. To confirm your number, tap OK. You will then be sent a code through SMS text to verify your phone number. Enter the code you received. Tap Allow to let WhatsApp access your contact list from your device. This will allow you to easily connect with your contacts who are already using WhatsApp. Then tap Allow to let WhatsApp access media on your device. Now set up your WhatsApp profile with your name and a profile photo. Tap Next when you're finished. After that, you're all set up to start using WhatsApp. If any of your contacts you have saved to your device are already using WhatsApp, you'll automatically see them in your WhatsApp contact list so you can start messaging them. That's all it takes to create a WhatsApp account. To learn more about using WhatsApp, check out our playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.